Okay, we go back to page 1. Before I start discussing the families of hydrocarbon, I do have a very quick recap here, as some of you will mix up the terms. What are the relationship between atoms, molecules, hydrocarbons, and crude oil? Okay, so I need you to fill in this, as this is a very common exam question here. Crude oil is something, and what are hydrocarbons? 請你好認真諗咗先。好 ，please pause the video. Now, if you are complete, we check the answers. Crude oil, it is a mixture of hydrocarbons. Mixture of hydrocarbons. Crude oil, they have many types of hydrocarbon 撈埋晒一齊。What are hydrocarbons? They are compound of carbon and hydrogen. If you write like this, I will not give you any mark, as there is one important word. They are compound of carbon and hydrogen only. 淨係 carbon 同 hydrogen 嘅 compound 就係 carbon and hydrogen, the compounds of them only. So if you review this in terms of atoms, you have another definition. Hydrocarbons, their compounds consist of carbon and hydrogen atoms only. 只係由 carbon 同 hydrogen 組合出嚟 chemically combined, the compounds they produce we can call it hydrocarbons. So in Form 3, you only learn one type of hydrocarbon. It's called alkane. So in the last exam, so you should have memorized the 4 members of alkane: methane, ethane, propane, and butane. 我仲同大家講甲烷、乙烷、丙烷同丁烷。And I also ask you to look at the trend of the numbers here. So you know that the next one will be C4H10. So how about the next member? 甲、乙、丙、丁烷，仲有一個戊烷。The next member is called pentane. So what will be the formula of pentane? So it is already a question asked before 2020. 喺 exam 之前問過嘅。This is C5H12 pentane. So you know this why we have worked out the journal formula. You know that the pattern is CnH2n plus 2. Any hydrocarbons, if the numbers they can fit in this combination, 只要呢個組合係 Cn 咁多 carbon， 2n 加2咁多 hydrogen, if they fit in this combination, so they are called alkane. Any molecule they have the journal formula CnH2n plus 2, we call them alkanes. Now how about the one we discussed in the last video? 呢啲係咩嚟㗎？C2H4, C3H6, what are they? They have different combination. 佢真係唔係 alkane 嚟㗎，佢都係個同鄉喎，佢都係 carbon 同 hydrogen 出嚟嘅喎，但係你嘅組合唔係 CnH2n 加2嘅喎，你就係第二類啦。So what are they? They are another member. They are called alkene. E-N-E 唔係 A-N-E. They're called alkenes. So the first 2 members I show you here. C2H4, C3H. Sorry, here is a typo. 你哋收到嗰份應該改咗嘅。C3H6. Okay, propene is C3H6. How about next member? You may know that. For the trend, you may know this. C2H4, C3H6. The next member is called C4H8. How remember? The name will be a little bit strange. You will learn this in Form 5. You will study chemistry. So this one, if I ask you, what is the general formula? 佢係 C 幾 H 幾多先符合呢個 family 啊？ So this one will be simple. CnH2n. 只要佢 carbon hydrogen atom 嘅數符合到呢個 CnH2n, 你有2粒 carbon 時，我有4粒；你有3粒 carbon 時，我6粒。If you have 4 carbon atoms, I have 8 hydrogen atoms here. Congratulations, you are alkene. 你嘅身份就係叫 CnH2n， 屬於呢個嘅 alkene。嗱 I give you one more. This one is not included in Form 3 or even not included in HKDSE。去到 Form 6都唔會學，大學先會學嘅。This is called Alkane。好，叫做缺嘅呢個字叫做。So first member, I give you the formula. The first member is C2H2. The next member will be C3H4. Okay, this time I want to ask, what will be the general formula? C 幾 H 幾就會係呢個 family 嘅 C2H2, C3H4. I give you one more. Next one will be C4H6. Now I want you to pause the video. Think, what will be the next member? Sorry, what will be the general formula here? 好，聰明嘅你，我相信你揀唔咗。This one, the general formula will be CnH2n minus 2。只要你符合呢個條件，恭喜你 ，congratulations, you have your identity。只要佢哋 number 係呢個組合嘅 ，we call this alkane。Now, these are different types of families of hydrocarbons. If you study chemistry in Form 5, each family they have a name called homologous series, but will not have this name in Form 3. Each family they can be represented by their own general formula. OK， 咁而家我哋知道點樣分呢啲嘅 families of hydrocarbons. So what are the relationship between this and the family and the cracking? Go back. 呢幾隻嘢，請問佢哋係乜水 ？C2H4, C3H6, C4H8. What are they? 睇翻。They are not alkanes. They are alkenes. C2H4 alkenes 符合嗰個條件啦。呢邊個條件啊 ？CnH2n 符合呢個條件 ，yes， 佢係屬於 alkene。They are alkenes. How about this one? 正 C4H8 正 C2H4 They are alkenes. 佢哋係 alkenes。我頭先講咩啊？佢都係我同鄉喎，大家都係 carbon 同 hydrogen 出嚟喎。但係你係 CnH2n， 我係 CnH2n 加2嚟嘅噃。They are different families. Okay, they are different families.